Yeah. Oh, fun. Alright. Which way are we going? Watch out. Oh, you got that window. You got that window. Alright, let me pop up. I wish I could pop out there. Get around the corner? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, that was a grenade. So we're technically all dead, but oh well. Alright, yeah, wait.
Stay in the window.
Shit.
You can move up now. Oh, that was good. Get in the house. Go, 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 go. Put that door away. Yeah, man. Let me get in. I'm like 50 of them.
I'm in a prime spot to be shot right there. Oh, wait, hold on, hold on. Just start shooting it, though. I'll get hit by ricochet. Oh, wait, they're right there. Just start emptying on that. Up, it's done. It's a dummy. I think it's a dummy. It's a dummy, right?
Yeah, it's dummy. Blow your head, man!
Just empty on that. Just empty there. They'll exit.
I'll freaking hit him. Gotcha!
Just keep on shooting in there and they won't come back. Wait, you want? Get me that! Ed, give me that grenade! Ed, give me that grenade! Ed, give me that grenade! Ed, give me the grenade! Gimme! No, Ed!
I don't play baseball!
I think they left. I think they're gone. Alright.
Stay right here. There's a bomb right over here.
What a way to clear that out. Yeah! One right in the window! One in that window right there. One in that window right there. One in the window right there. One in the window.
Where's my teammate?
Right there. Yeah. Let's go. Let's just roll. Let's roll it out. There's one in there. There's one in that window. There's one in that window.
Alright, red team withdraw. We're too close to their spawn.
Fuck.
Red team withdraw. Withdraw.
Alright, let's go.
We're too close to the spawn.
No, Ed.
Alright, the green box. Green box.
Alright. I kind of rushed in there and got him, but... Is that one right there? There's people down that way. Don't shoot this. Don't waste your ammo. No, wait, no. That's teammate. Oh, there's Ed.
You get a kill yet?
Yeah.
I got one.
Kill. KIA. Ed! 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 I'm going in. Alright, wait, hold on. Not here. Shitty cover. Gotta get in that hallway. Alright. Alright, you want to pop over to Ed? Big J, you're going to cover me while I'm out, alright? Yo! Yeah! Right here!
Wait, Dan. Dan.
Hold on. Shit! You want to get there? Oh, we got one guy right there. We got one guy right there. Let's pop up there. Oh, we got 2, 3. Alright, we good, we good. Yo! Go, go, go. Go. Yes, I got you. Go. He's a retard. He drops his mags everywhere. You are a retard. Oh, shit, we got a guy down there. One coming in hot on that house. guy right there. See the little thing in the corner?
Oh, look. Wait, stop moving. Oh, hey!
Yo, what brand is that? This. Condor? Uh-huh. Just curious. I'm looking for one of these, but in a different brand. Alright, we're going with Russell. We're going with Russell. See him at the front? Go with Russell.
Go after Blumpkin. Go after Blumpkin.
Yo, let me pop up in there.
Right there by the door. Lay it down, let it down.
Yo, who's got a loaded mag?
Hey, guys, Tim, you have a loaded mag?
No,
here.
It's not feeding, it's fine.
Yeah.
No. Are you dyslexic?
Dyslexic.
Dyslexic, thank you. I'll read the BB. Yo. Berkey, there's one down there. Yeah.
Here, watch this window. Let me see if I can get him off.
Yo, Russell, I got your shoulder. Yo, one of you, get up here. Come on. Go, I need someone with a pistol right in here. That's Sit. Sit. Alright, dude. How long does it take for us to spawn? Fuck it, I'm doing it. Let's go! There's people back here. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. You're on the other team.
Keep going that side. Keep going. Keep going.
Go.
Yeah, you wanna go out there?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Here they come! Guys, they're right behind us! They're that way. They're down there, right?
They're all down like now.
Alright. Sure.
There's like the whole team is in grandma's house. Yeah. Yeah, I got some lines. No. Respawns are two or plays are 3 lines. Well, 3 lines and then yeah.
Go. There's people down that way. Let's go. Let's go. Ready? Go. Bang! Get more done. Let's go. Bang! Bang! I got out. There's a guy right back there though. Bang, you fucker! You fucking idiot! I said fucking bang, you cunt! I said fucking bang! There's no one in that building though. They're all in that little window with the cardboard across.
Guys, let's try punching. No, we can't. No.
Yeah, you wanna go? Yeah, come on, it's easy, there's no one there. There was no one in that room. There's just people in that little fucking window. My gun's locked. My gun's locked. Fuck, my gun is locked. Okay, good. Dude, I think I'm running out of battery.
Yeah. They're in this building right next to respawn.
Okay. Dude, I'm telling you, no one's in there. We can go in. It's fine. Hey, there's people right over that way.
Okay.
Come on. Go home. There's people just around the corner. It's easy.
Game.
No, don't click it. Is that fine? Alright, let's go.
Alright, so we are the most northernmost team in the arena right now. It's us four and Ramon right here. That's their spawn. I'm gonna show you something. Follow me, alright, man?
Bang!
Fuck, see, like I said. I just told these motherfuckers to push up so this doesn't suck, right? Isn't that what I just said?
Bang! Stop!
So we're gonna go back and we're gonna see you push up so this doesn't suck, okay? Alright, let's get it going.
Friendly coming in! Friendly coming in!
So man, you should move up. We got them all the way back to the front, you know what I'm saying?
No, we're going straight across. That was sweet!
Is this filming?
Good.
Yeah, is this filming? Yeah, it is.
You want to stronghold that? No, but that keeps us trapped. If somebody runs in there, you want to go the other side? Let's go. I'm following Ed. Pop up in the window. Oh, good.
Jesus!
I have a respawn. Alright, come on. It's respawn. Ed's still in there, so let's go.
Wait, did you get hit?
Yeah, I got hit in the head.
Oh, I thought you were free out.
Hey, wait, you want to go help out Ed?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck. Watch out, these guys.
Ready?
That boy's coming through right there. Try to get him.
Bang! I'm still alive.
Yo, get your gun up right here. You have like two doorways.
Yo, watch across.
Right here. Hey, you can't. Alright, come on, dude. Like.
Watch across the way. Yo, go to the other. Ed, run the other side. Ed, we're running the other side. Ed, run that side. Run. You dummy. Let's go run.
Hey!
Back, out. Good job, dude. Yeah, everybody's trying to hit us. Let's go, you fucking idiot.
Go, rush it! Go. On you.
Go, Jordan, go. You fucking idiot! What the fuck are you doing? You want me to get him?
Right, Big J, that's Big J.
Did you get him?
No, because Ed pushed me in the wall.
Let's go. Yo. Broski. You wanna go this way? We gotta go this way. Let's go this way. No, that's not.
Wait, which way?
We should go this way. Did they hit you?
What?
Did they hit you? Yeah, Ed. Let's go get Giovanni. Let's go get Giovanni. You ready? Wait, where did the other guy go?
Hey, stop sitting around, let's go. I'm on you, go.
Bang!
Fuck.
Who shot me? Jesus fucking Christ!
Bang! Motherfucker! Let's go.
Let's go, get up!
Stop! Stop!
Those kids are on the wall are out. You're out, kid. Him right here. What? None.
Yeah, guys, keep on shooting from us across. Keep on shooting us from across.
Is this pretty done shot?
No, all those guys
Hey! You guys need to move up, let's go!
Yo, guys, we can assemble a Bravo team. We need 3 guys across.
guys are getting in a fight.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Come on, bang! Bang!
Light him up. Let's go.
bang, bang! Yo guys, we're gonna go try to get the other side. Other side, other side, other side. Other side, other side, other side. Go for the other side. We'll flank them around, let's go. Yo, there's people across, there's people across. There's a guy right there? Go, go, go. I know. Move. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, shit.
Just move up. Just keep the camper down.
How much time skipping?
You wanna go in there? Yo. Ready? Yeah, big jet, big jet.
Two bodies over there.
I know.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, I'll cover that. Ready?
3.
Start.
Ow! Fuck! Yeah, there's people in there. I'm hitting the arm. Go, 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 go. Yeah, they're all there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come with me, come with me.
There's a bunch of guys down there.
Alright, yo. See if we can radio in 3 guys to come down. Yeah, someone send for more guys. Guys, someone send for more guys. Come on, go, 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 go. We need all the men we can get. We need all the men we can get. Alright, let's 27. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Bang, 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 bang. Rolling. I don't edit anything out of the videos.
Wait, let me see this.
You're gonna blow it up.
Wait. Oh, it doesn't have the mag in it. Green light. Purple. Green light.
Oh, Sada. Hot pink.
Ooh, hot pink, I like it.
And no. What, got a little bit of future in there? Come on. Can I rock it like this?
Yo, 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 yo. We're going that way this time. After we're going straight to the middle. We're going straight to the middle. Who's got the flag?
What?
Nah, unless everybody runs that way. Yo, watch across. Watch the way across. I'm not staying there. Fuck that. That's her. Okay. Don't waste your gas on bogos. Yo, bro, watch. There's people that see you across the way. But keep your position. That's good. Yeah, there's gonna be someone that's gonna come up to us, alright? Oh, okay, good. Hit. There's people shooting across the way, so just be careful. Just go in there, Tom. Alright, ready? We're gonna try to shoot for the middle part. Come across. Yeah.
Ramon's like going like that.
There's some footage of you shooting. Get your ass in there. Yeah, can I help you? Where is it? Hold on. Oh, shit. Hold on. I can't tell where he is. Oh, I see him. Hold on. Don't give up the position. I need that extra oomph. Oh, got him. Got one. Hold on. Don't go for anything yet.
He's hitting me.
Huh. Yeah, guys, they're pointless. Don't worry about them. Just go. Go this way. Don't worry about them down there. Our guns are it's too short for our guns. Too long. Oh. Is that a tango right there? Is that a tango?
Yeah.
Go for him. Get him, Big J. Get him.
TTom, give me your gun. What's that nigga?
Where is he? Where is he?
Are you recording?
Yes. 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 Where is he?
There he is. That's it.
Oh.
2008. He's right there. See him.
Which one is he? I can't see him. You want me to pop out? Yo, Big J, don't waste our time. Friendly. They're friendlies. Go. Yo, come on. Guys, get out of make me get out of here.
We're right around the corner. Hey!
Go for it. I think that...
Ricochet rounds off right now.
Yo, I like how you're rocking the Jordan ball. You're rocking the Jordan.
Yeah, I think I see one coming. Hold on. Dude, when I say go, you're gonna turn, alright? And you're gonna nail him. Or do you wanna all rush in now? No, I don't. It's all out. Oh, I know where they are. I know where those motherfuckers are. Yeah, someone's got to turn that corner. Don't let it get him out. Alright. Wanna go in it? Bang! Bang! I know. Come on, Jordan. Alright, you want to try to run in there?
No.
He's ricochet.
Bang, 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 bang. I fucking got you.
Yeah, you want to just light him up? Bang, bang, motherfucker! Okay. Yeah. 4 seconds left.
Toss him in.
Look. Corn dog. Yeah, Big J, you want to pop up in there? Come on, let's go. Wait, the Bengals are in the UFC, right?
What?
The Bengals are in the UFC, right? Is there anybody there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to go in there? You want to go in? Guys, you want to assemble a team? There's one right there. Right around the corner, dude. They know we're here. Bang! Bangarang.
He said all of you guys are dead.
Yeah. Watch out.